It's your girl with your dose of style inspiration. Better get in here for some basic education. T-shirt and jeans are basic everyday style, but we're gonna dress it up from 0 to 5. Look one, real simple, roll up them sleeves, and look cool, edgy, snazzy, just like a breeze. Look two, tuck in your tees. Snatch that waist with a belt, define with ease. Look three, check it, accessorize. Earrings, sunglasses, hats, come on please memorize. Four, level up and layer for that extra swagger. You know by now, blazers make you look dapper. Final look, heels, sneakers, robes or loafers. Make sure it's a hit, yeah, whatever you go for, check it. Simple ways to style your t-shirt and jeans. Now queens go and slay like you fresh out of magazine. Come on, simple ways to style your t-shirt and jeans. Now queens go and slay like you fresh out of magazine. Come on.
It's IJ, signing out, one time, and I'm out.